So now we'll discuss the chapter 7 tutorial. So we have the chapter 7. Chapter 7, IPv4 communication. So a host successfully connected to a network can communicate with other devices in one of three ways. So first is the unicast. So unicast, the process of sending a packet from one host to an individual host. So next is broadcast. The process of sending a packet from one host to all hosts in the network. Next is multicast. The process of sending a packet from one host to a selected group of hosts, possibly in different networks. So these three types of communication are used for different purposes in data networks. In all three cases, the IPv4 address of the originating host is placed in the packet header as the source address. So the unicast transmission. Excuse me. Unicast communication is used for normal host-to-host communication in both a client-server and a peer-to-peer network. Unicast packet use the address of the destination device as a destination address and can be routed to an internetwork. So in IPv4 network, the unicast address applied to an end device is referred to as the host address. For unicast communication, the addresses assigned to the two end devices are used as the source and destination IPv4 addresses. During the encapsulation process, the source host uses its IPv4 address as the source address and the IPv4 address of the destination host as a destination address. Regardless of whether the destination specified a packet as a unicast, broadcast, or multicast, the source address of any packet is always the unicast address of the originating host. So note, in this course, all communication between devices is unicast unless otherwise noted. So for the broadcast transmission, broadcast traffic is used to send packets to all hosts in the network using the broadcast address for the network. With a broadcast, the packet contains a destination IPv4 address with all ones is in the host portion. This means that all hosts on the local network or the broadcast domain will receive and look at the packet. Many network protocols such as DHCP use broadcasts. When a host receives a packet sent to the network broadcast address, the host processes the packet as it would a packet address to its unicast address. Broadcast may be directed or limited. A directed broadcast is sent to all hosts on a specific network. For example, a host on the 172.16.4.0/24 network sends a packet to 172.16.4.255. A limited broadcast is sent to 255.255.255.255. By default, routers do not forward broadcasts. So for the multicast transmission reduces traffic by allowing a host to send a single packet to a selected set of hosts that subscribe to a multicast group. So, a router connected to the local network recognizes that these packets are addressed to a local network multicast group and never forwards them further. A typical use of reserved local network multicast address is in routing protocols using multicast transmission to exchange routing information. Hosts that receive particular multicast data are called multicast clients. The multicast clients use services requested by a client program to subscribe to the multicast group. Each multicast group is represented by a single IPv4 multicast destination address. When an IPv4 host subscribes to a multicast group, the host processes packets addressed to its multicast address and packets addressed to its uniquely allocated unicast address. So now we are done for the tutorials for chapter 7. Thank you for watching.